Okay. We are employing about 103 people permanently. Then we employ 28 people temporarily. Temporarily are the people who do work that is not done every day. Those are the direct employers. As I mentioned, we employ over 5,000 people through the value chain. Value chain are meaning supply of raw materials, supply of equipment, supply of the inputs like feed, supply of the logistics that we use at the farm, and trading in the product that we produce. All those are employment. Because if you sell fish and you don't have stock, you will not have work. Now our work is to ensure that you have stock that is supposed to give you work every day. Now in the trade of our products, we have ensured that we are in charge of the segments of our market. We've gone ahead to build shops to make sure that we present decent environment where our fish can be found in a manner that is respectful, safe, and giving customers confidence of the food they are taking home. In Uganda, we have 5 shops at the moment, one in Shireka next to Sportsview Hotel. We have another one in Bukoto opposite East Supermarket. We have another one in Shibuye next to Ndagari House. We have another one along Hoima Road in Nansana next to Sheep Store Supermarket. We have another one in Bwaise next to KCC Kawempe Division. Then in Kenya, we are operating in different towns. We are in Kitale, we are in Eldoret, we are in Nakuru, we are in Nairobi. We have 3 shops. Then in Kisumu, we have a franchise that is picking fish from us. And we have also franchises in different other cities of Kenya. Machakos, Mombasa, Kitengele, and all different places. All these are to ensure that food is made available nearest to the consumer in their different locations.
Best.